Meet the car that shrinks with them. The City Transformer CT2 is a two-seat EV that morphs on command. Push a button and its width slides from a snug 1 meter to a stable 1.3 meters. Squeeze through gridlock in slim mode, then widen for motorway poise up to 90 km per hour. Twin rear motors kick out 15 kilowatts, doubling to 30 PS in short bursts, while a 15 kWh NMC battery keeps you rolling for 120 to 180 kilometers. Plug it into a standard 3.3 kilowatts outlet and you're full again in 4.5 hours, just enough time for a work shift or an overnight rest. At only 560 kilograms, the CT2 stops as sharply as it starts thanks to 4-wheel disc brakes and electronic aids. Inside, you still get aircon, 450 L of cargo space, and the quiet confidence that parking will never be a gamble again. City commutes, delivery runs, tourist fleets. This shapeshifter rewrites what small car means. Dare to own the street with a €16,000 entry ticket. What looks like a tank and moves like a truck? Meet the Buran APC, built for battle but designed with brains. Originally crafted by an aviation company, this beast doesn't fly, but it does hit speeds up to 100 km per hour on land. The real magic? Its modular build. Need an ambulance? It fits 4 stretchers. Need a heavy-duty hauler? It transforms into a 10-ton cargo truck, no sweat. Despite its flexibility, it doesn't compromise on safety. Reports say it can withstand a 6 kg explosive blast from 80 meters away, keeping everyone inside protected. That's serious peace of mind, whether you're in a war zone or a disaster zone. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile solution, ready to adapt, defend, and deliver in any environment. Built for change, engineered for survival. Meet the Squad Solar City car, a tiny urban EV that literally charges itself. Yep, it has solar panels on the roof. This clever two-seater runs on dual 2 kilowatts rear motors and 4 swappable lithium-ion batteries, delivering up to 100 kilometers of electric range. But here's the kicker, sunlight adds a little extra juice each day, making your commute even more eco-friendly. With a modest top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, it's built for navigating dense city streets, not highways. Its ultra-compact design, just 2 meters long and 1.2 meters wide, makes squeezing into tight parking spots a breeze. The removable doors add flexibility for hot days or open-air cruising. And at just €6,250 before tax, it's one of the most affordable zero-emission options around. More than a car, it's a bold rethink of what urban mobility can be: efficient, sustainable, and surprisingly fun. The Squad isn't just built for the city, it's built to change it. Meet the armored crane built to save lives in the world's most dangerous zones. The IAG Armored Rescue Crane vehicle isn't just tough, it's a mobile fortress with a built-in lifeline. Designed for high-risk rescue and evacuation missions, this beast shrugs off 7.62 times 51mm NATO rounds, resists mine blasts from below, and can even withstand hits from wheeled or tracked vehicles. Its powerful crane, operated by a 2-person crew, can lift up to 13 tons, ideal for clearing debris or retrieving heavy equipment in combat or disaster zones. Whether you're navigating rough terrain or tight urban spaces, its 4x4 or 6x6 configuration and 380 horsepower diesel engine ensure it never backs down. More than a machine, it's a game-changer for emergency response teams working under fire. When chaos strikes, this armored crane doesn't just survive, it saves. Meet the VinFast VF3, a tiny electric ride built to conquer crowded city streets. With its compact size and futuristic vibe, this urban EV makes traffic and tight parking feel like a breeze. It's powered by a 15 kilowatts electric motor, reaching speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour, and cruises for 120 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes. Don't let its small frame fool you. The VF3 packs a 13.2 kWh lithium-ion battery under the hood and still leaves room for 2 comfy seats inside. It's just 2.8 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and 1.6 meters high, making U-turns and slipping into tiny spots effortless. Inside, you get a sleek digital dashboard and smartphone connectivity, keeping you plugged in on the go. And with a starting price around $11,400, it's one of the most affordable electric city cars on the market. Eco-conscious, wallet-friendly, and built for the city, the VF3 is more than a vehicle. It's your everyday electric escape from urban chaos. In one of South America's most dangerous cities, the fight against crime just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Placen Garter, a massive armored beast designed to protect, serve, and adapt. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress. With a modular interior, it quickly transforms into a command center or even a field hospital. It can carry 22 people plus its crew, turning it into a rolling operations hub. Built on a rugged man-truck chassis, the Garter isn't afraid of rough terrain. It can scale 60-degree slopes and power through 60 centimeters of water without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to protection, this monster holds its ground, surviving direct hits from 7.62 x 51mm NATO rounds during STANAG Level 3 tests. In high crime zones like Brasilia, this vehicle isn't just a deterrent, it's a game-changer. It redefines how law enforcement responds to chaos, blending brute strength with smart design. Because sometimes, keeping the peace means bringing the fortress to the front line. Tiny car, big attitude. Meet the Brabus Smart EQ for 2, where electric agility meets high-end style. This microcar packs a punch with 82 horsepower and instant torque, zipping through city streets at speeds up to 130 km per hour. With a 160 km range from its 17.6 kWh battery, it's made for quick urban getaways without the guilt. Brabus doesn't just tune, it transforms. From bold exterior styling to sleek interior accents and sharper suspension, every detail adds flair and finesse. And at just 2.69 meters long, it slips into tight spots most cars wouldn't dare. Whether you're weaving through traffic or sliding into the last parking spot on the block, this two-seater keeps things smart, stylish, and sustainable. Starting at €28,000, it's more than a car, it's a statement. The Brabus Smart EQ for 2 proves that going green doesn't mean going dull. Compact, electric, and unapologetically cool, this is the future of urban driving. Meet the Axum Chaser -980, a bulletproof speed demon built for the water. This compact armored boat isn't just tough, it's a shape-shifting workhorse. From anti-piracy raids and search missions to troop transport and emergency response, it adapts fast to whatever you throw at it. And with a top speed of 93 km per hour, it gets there in a flash. Inside, 2 crew and 4 passengers ride in safety, shielded by a fully armored monocoque cockpit crafted from ballistic steel. Its windows? Bulletproof. Its design? All about survival and precision. But here's the real trick. Despite all that muscle, it's small enough to slide neatly into a standard 12-meter sea container. That means easy transport, rapid deployment, and serious flexibility in the field. In a world where speed, safety, and adaptability can mean the difference between failure and success, the Chaser 980 stands ready to lead the charge. What if your next car was made partly from cardboard, and still turned heads? Meet the Citroën Olli, a bold electric SUV concept built for a cleaner, smarter future. Weighing far less than the average EV, the Olli is designed with sustainability at its core. It runs on a compact 40 kWh battery, offering a solid 248-mile range and a top speed of 68 miles per hour. More than enough for city life. Thanks to an efficient single motor, it squeezes out 6.2 miles per kilowatt-hour, making every charge go further. But it's the materials that really set this EV apart. The roof and hood are made from tough, honeycomb-structured cardboard. Yes, cardboard. Combined with recycled and recyclable materials throughout, the Olli shows how eco-conscious design can still be daring. Citroën envisions it as an affordable option, with stripped-back versions possibly starting around $20,000. However, it remains a concept, with production not expected until late in the decade, so specs may evolve. Still, the Olli isn't just another EV, it's a radical rethink of what a sustainable vehicle can be. If this is the future of driving, it's one worth waiting for. 10. Meet the ultimate crowd control machine that unfolds like a steel wall on wheels. This is the Geno Rex, a mobile police barricade built to take command in chaotic situations. Developed in South Korea, it's not just a vehicle, it's a tactical tool. With the push of a button, it deploys 4-meter-wide steel barriers in just 60 seconds. Each unit can link with others to form an extended wall, turning streets into controlled zones instantly. Need more force? The Geno Rex packs a high-powered water cannon that can hit targets up to 70 meters away, giving officers serious range without direct confrontation. Built tough and smart, it comes in 4x2 and 6x4 configurations, loaded with cameras and a full video recording system, making sure every move is monitored and documented. In a world where protests and public unrest are increasingly common, this vehicle changes how law enforcement manages urban control, fast, efficient, and with minimal risk. It's not just a barricade, it's a rolling fortress for modern policing.